And so it's been given to me to do these 31 through 60 for you again. So I'm going to do 31 through 40. Sit back and hang on. So on this problem, there's 750 jigsaw piece puzzle. They added 5 extra pieces that do not fit anywhere in the puzzle. So you buy such a puzzle, break the box open, immediately select one piece at random. What is the probability that it will be one of the extra pieces? Well, with the 750 pieces plus the 5 extra pieces means we have 755 total pieces. And how many of those pieces are extra? But 5. And so that is simply 5 over 755. And that is answer D. They give it to you right off the top. No simplification, which kind of surprises me. Then they ask what fraction lies exactly halfway between 2/3 and 3/4. Okay, so what's the average of these two might be a better statement. So we're going to add these two together, 2/3 plus 3/4, and then we're going to divide it by 2. So the common denominator here is 12, so I multiply this times 4 over 4, multiply this times 3 over 3. I get 8/12 plus 9/12 over 2, so that is 17/12. Divided by 2 means you multiply by the reciprocal. So that's times 1 over, that's 12, sorry. So 17 times 1 is 17. 12 times 2 is 24. That answer is K, 17/24. Okay, sorry, this should have been 12, and I wrote a 2 there. 8 plus 9 is 17. Keep the same denominator. Okay, question 33. Okay, for question 33, Gianna has converting a 12 by 15 room. We're answering questions 33 through 35 of the rest of this column with this picture. Okay, 15-foot wall, 12-foot wall. The cabinets are 2 feet deep. These cabinets, it tells us in this, are 2 by 2. So there are 4 cabinets here that are 2 by 2. It says 4 cabinets that are 3 feet each installed in the middle of the room. So 3 feet high is how tall they are. And then it talks about the cost of $2,150, the building and installing the cabinets. 15-foot wall is how many inches long in the scale drawing. Scale drawing is 0.25 inches for every 2 feet. So I'm going to say 0.25 inches is the same as 2 feet, as x is, this is my scale, as x is over 15. So then I'm going to multiply 15 times 0.25. So 15 times 0.25, that's 3.75. Do cross products. 3.75 equals 2 times x is 2x. Divide both sides by 2. And x equals 1.875. So that is answer B. 34 says she will install tile on the portion that is not covered by the cabinets. What is the area in square feet of the portion of the floor that will not be covered by cabinets? Well, if we go back up here, the cabinets here, this is 24 square feet because it's 2 times 12. This is 2, this is 2, this is 4 by 4, so this is 16 total square feet. Well, it tells us the room is 15 by 12. You should know the area is length times width, 15 times 12. So I'm going to go 15 times 12 minus 16 and 24. Okay, that's 40 feet. So that's 40. So then I go 15 times 12. That's 180 minus 40 equals 140 square feet. So the answer to that one is H. On the bottom it says they estimate cost of 650 plus a fixed charge per cabinet. The labor charge remain the same for any number built and installed. She wants to do twice as many cabinets. Okay, she wants to do twice as many cabinets. So let's look what, we go back up here, they were charging her $2,150. So we're going to subtract the 650 from that, 2150 minus 650. 2150 minus 650 is $1,500. So they're charging her up front $1,500 to install the cabinets. She's going to do double that. That makes $3,000 plus $650. The answer is D, $3,650. Okay, up here, question 36. Which of the following in the graph of the region is listed on the plane here? Okay, so we're going to solve this for y to put it in that y form, and it means we're going to subtract x from both sides. So that's going to look like this. I'm going to say 1 minus x is less than y. All right. And then I'm going to have the other half of the equation. I'm going to subtract x from that. Y is less than 2 minus x. Okay, slope of both lines is a -1. Y-intercept is 1 and 2. They're both negative lines. Okay, so if we look at our drawing, positive slopes, positive slopes, positive slopes, it has to be these two. Y-intercept's 1, y-intercept is 2. That is this one. This is answer J. Whoops, sorry. This is answer J. Y-intercept on both of them, this one was 2. This one is 1. This had a -1. That's not right. These had positive slopes. They're not right. Okay, what is the difference? That means we're going to subtract between the mean and the median of this set. Okay, the mean is the average. The mean is the average. The median is the middle number. So we'll start there. The median is halfway between 8 and 10. Well, what number is halfway between 8 and 10? We hopefully know that's 9. So we add them together. 3 and 8 makes 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. 21 plus 15 makes 36. We're finding the average, the mean. So we divide that by 4 because there's 4 numbers. 36 divided by 4. Well, golly Bob, that's 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. That is answer A. Okay, this one. We have these two graphs. Doesn't matter what they say about them with the equation. We have these two graphs. The question asks, which of the following describes a true relationship between the two functions? And that answer is going to be F. They have exactly, for f of x equals g of x for exactly two values of x. It crosses here, it crosses here. They're the same values. When x is this value, we get the same answer for both. So that is answer F. All it means, how many times do they intersect? That they're equal to. Okay. Question 39. Dealing with, well, I think 39 through 41. So most of this column, we're dealing with this trapezoid up here. What is the slope of CD? We're just doing these two questions, then I'm going to stop because 41 through the others go through another thing. So we're looking at the slope. So I'm going to start here from 9.4 to 12.1. To go from 9 on the y-axis, to go from 4 to 1, doing the y, rise over run. So I'm going to go down 3. That's down 3. That's a -3. And then I'm going to run 3 to the right. That's positive. So that's a -3 over 3, which equals a -1. That answer is B. Okay. I went down and then over. That's a negative slope. We should hopefully recognize answer is going to be A or B. And then we look at our numbers. Last one here of the set, question A, B, C, D is reflected over the y-axis to A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. What are the coordinates of D prime? Okay, they're reflecting over the y-axis. So we're reflecting this one over the y-axis. By doing that, we go to the left of x. So this positive 12 becomes a -12, and 1 remains 1. So that answer for number 40 is F, -12, 1. Took me less than 10 minutes to answer those 10 questions. Thanks.